Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Windows update with the error code 0x800F0983 when updating your Windows computer. So this error can cause by many different factors like Windows systems are intricate, containing thousands of files, various applications, different settings, and multiple driver versions. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to perform this cleanup. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung this cleanup. And makikita mo kaagad dito yung Desk Cleanup app, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong Desk Cleanup, so drive selections, select ka lang dito kung anong drives yung gusto mong i-clean up, and then select mo lang dito yung C drive, and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And wait natin. And then once na open mo na tong Desk Cleanup, and next step, so dito lang sa files to delete ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung downloaded program files, temporary internet files, and then delivery optimizations files, recycle bin, and then next keyword, ito yung temporary files, and then next, ayan. So, kailangan mo lang i-check itong mga kaibigan na files na kailangan natin i-delete, and then next step ay, i-click mo lang dito yung clean up system files. So, i-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to check relevant services. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once na open mo na tong services, at dito lang sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-locate dito yung background intelligent transfer service. So ang gagawin natin dito is select and right click. And then select mo lang dito yung restart. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete. And then after that, so same pa rin. So select and double click. And dito lang sa kanyang general properties. So dito lang si startup type. Select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then click apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so ang next keyword ay locate natin yung Windows update. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then hanapin natin dito yung Windows update. So same procedure, select and double click. And dito lang sa general properties, dito lang sa startup type, select mo lang dito yung automatic, and then click apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next keyword, kailangan natin i-locate dito yung cryptographic. So scroll up lang tayo and i-locate natin dito yung cryptographic service. So once na-locate mo na, so same procedure, select and double click. And dito lang sa general properties, dito lang sa startup type. So same, select automatic. And then dito sa baba, click mo lang apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate dito yung Windows installer. So scroll down ulit. And then i-locate dito yung Windows installer. So select and double click. And dito lang sa general properties at dito lang sa startup type. So kailangan mo lang select dito yung automatic, and then dito sa service status, click mo lang dito yung start, and i-click mo lang apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa services, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the Windows troubleshooter. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step, so dito lang sa troubleshoots, and under dito sa options ay select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And under dito sa most frequent, so select mo lang dito yung Windows update, at dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Alright. So after dito sa Windows Update Run, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair corrupted files. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang si start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, just click restart only. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix error code 0x800F0983 when updating Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.